I grabbed these eggs from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to take 4 of them out. I'm going to put them on some painter's tape, and then I'm going to take a razor blade and cut those 4 squares out of the carton. I'm going to take our goldenrod and paint the 4 eggs. You really only have to concentrate on the top part of the egg, as I'm going to glue them into the carton as I go along, and then allow them to dry. I had this burlap orange leaf, and I cut these little triangles out of it. And I'm making them my beak. And I'm going to take some hot glue and put one on each egg. I kind of did the front portion of the 2 front eggs, and then I kind of did a side face on the ones in the back. So you can kind of see all the faces as you're looking at your decor. Then I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to make eyes. And I'm just going to put a dot on each for a pair of eyes. Then I had this orange jute, and I took a little piece of it, bent it in half, and I cut both sides and glued the little cluster to the top of the head, and then I just took my finger and ruffled it, and it kind of starts to unravel. So again, I bent it, I cut it the one side, and then I cut the other side and then glued it down to the top of the egg. If you don't have orange jute, you can use regular jute. I think it would look just as cute. I think these came out adorable. I found this little box from the Dollar Tree. I put some hot glue inside and took some of the grass from the Dollar Tree. I was going to leave the box plain. Then I glued the eggs in the inner portion of it. And then I decided to take some chocolate. I'm not worrying about full coverage, and I'm just hitting each side with the chocolate. I think this came out so adorable, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget our cutouts. Have a great day.